Greetings, guys, traders, and everyone else. Okay, it's Mula again. I've been quiet on this scene. So, first of all, I just wanted to share this is my email for anyone who's looking to kind of trade with me sometimes. I usually mainly focus on gold, but I can read any other market, whether lessons or whatever. This is the email you must use if you want to kind of get some free trades. This is the XM partner code that I have, H36XT. You just, even if you have an XM account already, just create a new, what do you call this, trading account like MT5 or whatever, and then put in this code. And then once you've done that, you can email me and tell me so I can check if it's linked with my account, and then you get some free signals there so you can make some cash. Let me just show you what we'll do, like with the guys that kind of do live trades with me. We'll be doing some mini flips. Let me just find that flip I did. Right, hold on. Just gonna show you. So what's cool with XM for like traders, it can give you like whatever you deposit, they give you 100% bonus. You can't withdraw it, but you can use it as leverage and yeah, just to give a bit of power to your trade. So I always like using like smaller amounts. For example, so for instance, you can see I deposited $8. They credited me with $8 with 100, which is 100% of that, and then I made about 140 dollars within about 2 weeks, I think. So it's easy when your mindset is just, if you get used to like building small accounts and you can repeat that consistently, then you're good to go. So yeah, and all right. So I'm just gonna do a quick market look at gold for you guys. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so essentially for me, I'm looking at them coming to test this price again at some point, because already last month for me is indicating that there's going to be some selling, especially because of this price they've reached, right? I'll show you why. So basically, from measurement point of view, let's go to weekly. I just want to show you. Oh, let me hide these partner things here. Hide that. Hide. Okay. Oh, that we can leave. So, because, yeah, in case somebody misses that, that's an email you can catch me on. So if you look at weekly, no, monthly, sorry, not weekly, monthly. Let's go to, okay, sorry about that. Just got distracted. So because of this closing here, I have a strong, well, bias towards the sell side because of what happened in H4 inside here last month before they closed for the month. They closed below this 100%. So I'm just going to zoom out so you can see what I'm looking at. So from 2016, yeah, 2016, and the high of 2020 to the low of 2022. That is the 100% extension of this swing here. So usually, obviously, we cannot ignore something that's on monthly. I mean, smaller time frames they can mess with, but as you can see, they have reacted a few times according to like the basic fib levels. I just use this just to get a sense, especially when we are trading against a trend, because this is quite a strong bullish trend. So we're expecting some pullback this month, right? So let's just go back in there. So So this sideways is important, but from my analysis, the sell can kind of has already given its hand, right, from an early perspective. So it's Monday, so this sideway, as you can see, no new highs have been created ever since this high, and they've created new lows from these lows from a 4 hour perspective. Let's see daily. Daily, yeah, they created a new low. So you can see the structure did break here. And yeah, so intraday stuff, I mean, you can since it's a sideway, you can do anything really. For the guys that do intraday stuff, you can basically see where they sell and buy. Just gonna put up the session breaks. So NFP did kind of like a ping pong thing here, gave some sellers some chance and gave some buyers some chance, and then ended up where they kind of started. Right, this was the daily open for Friday. So this is the daily open for Monday. So we are above it. So London, yeah. So right now, what time is it in London? Let's see. Where are you, London? London. Okay, Sydney time. London, 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 London. There we go. London. So let's see what time it is now in London. Okay, let's go. So it's 9 a.m. So yeah. So can't really fight against this buy right now. It's just maybe you can look for pullbacks. It's just basic stuff. They broke a structure that Asia created here. So try and find ideas around these parts and then these parts where it broke and then where they bought. So to kind of follow this kind of push up. Like I said, this is just sideways. So don't plan too far. Like can just okay. So this is what they reacted to here. So this is basically a range. How big is this range? It's about 260 pips. Okay, that's quite a big range. So um, yeah, yeah. So I guess selling and buying, you just need confirmation on lower time frames and aim for like 20, 50 pips max. Like don't be like usually Mondays I try not to trade them too much if I miss what Asia did, right? Because essentially I don't really fight with Monday moves because they're setting the tone for the week. So let's see points to look at. Let's just see if there's any. Um, yeah, I mean they could go all the way back to where they began today around this area. So but everything needs confirmation, and doesn't matter what you use really. This is an intraday. Usually you want it to be supported by a higher time frame. Like your ideas should be kind of supported by H4 and so forth. So as you can see, the structure break for H4, that's what they're reacting to here. Can you see that? So okay, you still have an hour 45 minutes before this candle closes. So this could just be a little pause. Let's see, 2 hour candles. 2 hour, okay, yeah. So yeah, this is more scalping stuff. But yeah, I think just as an overview, we are in a sideway. I don't have a big bias of like trying to buy breakouts here or whatever because of what happened here. So just be careful and be patient. You could catch a really good swing this month. Let me just flip this chart upside down so I can see. Okay, so you see I flipped the chart upside down. So yeah, so this for me it's a sell. It's a sell cooking. So after the sideway, I mean, for guys who are not like who like really safe trades, you can wait for this structure to break. However, they decide to break it, right? And then after they break the structure and start trading below this, yeah, like swing guys can go for it. After once they start trading below this, that's when they've decided, right? So we don't know what the high of this month is, but this doesn't look like a convincing high of the new month because it started October started here. So this is the current high. They've been testing it, so it's quite like a bouncy area here. But I really think they might come test right down here. But they can do anything in the meantime. Like I said, it's a sideways, so scalpers delight. Yeah, they're just gonna be moving from zone to zone, right? So that's about it. There's not much happening here, just a sideway cooking the cell. I promise you this. Well, I don't promise you. I just mean I have a strong bias to the sell because the confirmations have happened in H4. We're on a monthly zone. That's why the sideways is kind of taking long. You know, from yeah, daily already broke structure. This here, right? So it's created a new low, and then there's no new high. So if this high holds, and then they come test around here, and then they always close below this shadow or whatever, then we still in. That's why this exhaustion is happening. So in terms of like where they might go, although I mean from realistically they might come and test this area here. So weekly might make it bounce a few times. Like this will bounce, make it bounce. This will make it bounce. So trade what you see. I mean, you can buy and sell along the way to this path because this is basically where monthly will start halting. Um, but like I said, from a structural perspective, this is still quite bullish from like a major. Um, I mean, even 3 month candle close below this zone, so it's quite a strong zone. It's not a zone to be trying to fight swing buys. You know what I mean? If you didn't catch your swing buys lower, then it's kind of like a bit late for you, right? So it's for now. It's So we've got 2 months left before the 6 month candle closes, right? So I don't know why that is. 2 months left. Oh, that's the year close. Okay, yeah. So, but with wars and stuff like that happening, you can see this is quite a strong bullish candle. They can still fly. I mean, here, this is that target that I was saying. This is the monthly target. I mean, you just need a little bounce and then they'll carry on again, So that's my view on gold. And yeah, reach me. Let's see if you want to make some cash. Sign up under that link of the XM partner thing. I don't know where it is now, but yeah. Yeah, but yeah, you'll just scroll back to the video. All right. Have a blessed week. Later.